Okay, there is no easier way to install a remote starter on these vehicles, unless, of course, you pay someone to do it. At the lower left of your driver's side dash, you'll see the vehicle's OBD2 connector. Plugged into the rear of it is the vehicle's gateway connector. Reach up behind the OBD2 connector and unplug the gateway connector. Once you get the vehicle's gateway plug unplugged, plug it into the corresponding female plug on the T-harness, and then replace the vehicle's gateway plug with the plug from the T-harness. You're now ready to activate the system. System activation. First, press and hold in the small black push button on the remote starter module. While still holding in the button, plug in just the harness's small black 4-pin plug. The LEDs on the module will begin flashing. Now keep watching the LEDs and release the button at the same time when just the blue LED lights up. Now is when you plug in the one remaining plug from the T-harness into the module. The module is now activated and ready to be programmed to your vehicle. System to vehicle programming. You're going to need one key fob within operating distance of the vehicle. Okay, make sure not to step on the vehicle's brake pedal during the programming procedure. Now press and release your vehicle's push to start button one time to just turn the ignition on. Now look at the LEDs on the module. Just the blue LED will be flashing rapidly. When you see this, press and release the push to start button again to turn the ignition off. The blue LED will also turn off. Now once again, turn the vehicle's ignition on, but this time the yellow LED on the module will turn on solid. Now wait with the yellow LED on for at least 5 seconds, no more than 10, then finally turn the ignition off, and the yellow LED will also turn off. The system has now successfully programmed to the vehicle, and you're now ready to test remote start activation. Testing remote start activation. First, close all the vehicle's doors. Depending on how you pre-ordered the system from us, your remote starter can be activated only one of two ways, either by slowly pressing the lock button on your factory remote 3 times, or by pressing the lock, unlock, lock sequence. Once it remote starts, let it test run for at least 30 seconds. Then you can shut it down the same way you activated it, or by stepping on the vehicle's brake pedal. All right, you're all set. Button it up. Use the zip ties included with the system to secure the harness and the module up under the dash. Stay warm or cool down and enjoy the luxuries of having a remote starter installed on your vehicle that you did yourself. We thank you for your purchase of one of our remote starter systems, or if you're interested in purchasing one, there's a link below to place your order. Thanks again, and enjoy your new remote starter system.